In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved posts on Substack. If you've ever started writing on Substack and wanted to come back to a piece later, those works in progress are saved as drafts. I'll show you exactly where they live so you can jump back in without hunting around. First, open Substack in your preferred browser or the official app. Once you're in your publication workspace, you'll land on the main area where you manage your writing and audience. Give the page a second to load so all the navigation options appear. Next, head to your dashboard. The dashboard is your home base on Substack. It's where you can see an overview of your publication and quickly get to the tools you use most. If you're already inside the writing area, look for the dashboard label in the site's main navigation and click it. This keeps everything organized and makes it easier to find your content by status. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Posts in the sidebar. This is the section that aggregates all of your writing in one place, whether it's been published, scheduled, or still in progress. Opening Posts brings up a clean list view that helps you scan titles, dates, and statuses at a glance. Now, within the Posts section, select the Drafts view. This is the key step. Drafts is where Substack stores your saved posts, anything you've started and saved but haven't published yet. You'll see each draft listed with its title, last edited time, and other useful context so you can quickly identify what you want to continue working on. If you tend to save often, expect to see multiple entries, including auto-saved versions of your work as you go. Once you're in drafts, you can review your saved pieces, confirm that your latest edits were captured, and choose the exact draft you want to pick up next. If the list is long, scan for recognizable titles or timestamps to zero in on the right one. It's a good habit to give your drafts clear working titles so they're easier to spot later, especially if you keep several ideas going at once. That's all there is to it. Open Substack, go to your dashboard, click Posts on the left side, and then choose Drafts to see your saved posts. With this flow, you'll always know where your works in progress live, and you can get back to writing in just a few clicks.